Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. I'm working on so many different things today. One of them is the August, sorry, was it not just New Year's Eve? I mean, I feel like I need to hold on to this crazy ride. We are coming, not yet. We are still in July. We are squarely in July, but I am working on the August kit. It's hard to say that. That's crazy, isn't it? I can't say it again. So this will be the last of the summer images for this series, Mousehole Farm, right? This has been going on since January. A lot of people are subscribers and have taken all of the kits so far. That always leaves me with 2 or 3 extras. So while I don't have an infinite amount of kits, and the reason is because I'm using some textured wool and some wools that I just don't want to keep in stock. I'm not that big of a business, right? So there's been a finite number. We will do a different sort of blueprint for our monthly kits next year. But you know who I have right here too? Do you see her? It's Margot. My husband got me this with her little cheese bag, right? She's got a little cheese bag. This is one of those nice brands. What is this called? Maileg, something like that. Maileg, I think. Yeah, my husband got this for me right before Christmas, and she appeared in my stocking, and she became the inspiration for this whole series, little Margot and her 2 dogs, Laundry and Lint Ball. So this month, are you wondering what are they up to this month? They were eating ice cream like in July, right? So we're still in July. This month she's having one more dip into summer. So I wanted to do one more full blast water thing. So if you're wondering, what is Deanna screwing up in this one? So many things. Of course, whenever I'm hooking the prototype for something, I screw everything up multiple times. But I do guts to say there are some things I really like about this one. So in this last summer scene, right, for 2026, Margot Mouse is in the water, and you see that's Lint Ball. No, that's Laundry on the shore. The brown one is Laundry. The caramel colored one is Lint Ball. Lint Ball is swimming, and you can see I haven't done Lint Ball yet. The little tail's sticking up. And Laundry is at the shore trying to decide whether to go in or not. And there's a little crab at the bottom corner that connects to the month before, a slightly different color. But this will make a nice connecting line to the one from this month with the ice cream, right? With the ice cream parlor table, and they're sitting by the sea. So this one, let me stand up for a second. This has been a really fun one so far. And I feel like I've screwed plenty up because I got to be me. I'm not sure about the sun. I'm not at all happy with the sun. First of all, it looks like a square. So I need to deal with that and maybe change that. I might change the idea of the sky. Originally I had this sun. I hooked that first, and then originally I was going with this palette of colors. And I changed my mind, and I'm going to show you why. I decided I wanted to use this wool. So this will be one of your crazy 8s. This is not over dyed. This is from Door, right? This is a Door herringbone. This is one of the colors I'm using along with this, right? So you see how well these go together. This is like a mottled yellow. So I switched to this combo in the sky, which I have been loving. So this over here, to see the close-ups of the textures, everything but this. I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to go with this. I haven't done too much in the sky and she's got a pretty sort of purpley magenta bathing suit on, because I'm hating the sun, and I'm figuring out what to do about that. If I should redraw the sun or drop in some clouds or what. I need something in the sky. I'm also kind of torn. I was thinking about putting a little ledge and putting her little pink farmhouse, but I think I won't. I think I'm going to keep this a real summer one. So I'm still working on the sky. I'm very happy with the crab. The crab is, and this is not something I normally do. You see the back? It is 1 loop of black for each pupil, right? And the white for the eyeball, 1 loop of each. So 1 loop of white, 1 loop of black, and I left my tails behind because I wanted him to look like he was Googling at them, all sinister, all crabby and sinister on the little corner of shore. But I didn't want to do, so much with eyes. Now, for me, I was experimenting with water, and I flipping love it. I don't normally do stuff like this. This was like I was playing with swatch sets in blue. So I'm debating. I guess I'm going to put these blues in for part of the Crazy Eight set. I have got like four values, one, two, three, four values of blue. So you're probably going to see them, this color blue. I was fooling around to see if it worked. I really love it. It's not completely filled in yet, but you can see, yeah, I really love it. This nose is looking big. This is like a Rudolph we got going on here. I'm going to deal with that. That's a Rudolph nose. But, you know, it has a bit of a sort of Japanese, like the wave feel. I'm not big on dyeing swatches and doing ombre sets, but I think in this case I will. I think it works really well. I just need a bit more color in the sky. And that's why I'm fooling around with the idea of colored clouds or something like that. I need a bit more in the sky. So I will figure that part out, but I have to say I love the effect of this. I am working away on it. This kit will be available in about a week or so. We are going back to the Cape for Jocelyn's camp. She goes to her fishing camp the last week of July. So I want to be sure I'm finished with this by then. I am going to solve the problem of the oversized sun. Weight-wise, it's just not working. So if you take that piece of misery out of the equation, I'm loving the two dogs. I'm going to hook in Lint Ball, and I'm going to hook in Margot's Skin Tone, and I'll get the sky sorted. I'll finish the blues in the water. I'm very happy with this corner. I finished this last night. We're starting to watch Twin Peaks, which I haven't watched since it came out on TV, and I don't remember any of it like at all. So I was hooking this while I was watching Twin Peaks. It will forever be associated with. I do love this color as part of the color palette. So I'm figuring it out. I feel like I'm doing better with this one than I've done with some of the past ones as I figure it out. Yours will be on regular linen. This is the last scrap I have of my bleached door linen that I loved so much from Door, but they don't carry it anymore. Yours will be on my usual linen, which is the brown linen. So this looks a little bit different now, but you know that yours will look like all of the other kits. I am working away on it. I welcome your thoughts and ideas. I am going to sort out the sky tonight, and you can look forward to the next video where I walk you through a little bit more of the deep end, right, which is what this one is going to be called.